our Rookie of the Year, Old Spice High Endurance Rookie of the Year awardee, Mark the Spark Kagiwa. A product of Glendale Community College from Barangay Ginebra, number 47, Mark the Spark Kagiwa!
Iyawan po mga tao, mga kaibigan, sapagkat nakita nilang tumakbo. Itong si Mark Kagiwa, papunta sa official stable. And this very young superstar, masasabi na natin superstar na ito si Mark Kagiwa dito sa PBA, bagamat bagong-bago lamang ito. At 55-54, Mark Kagiwa makes his move! Oh, yes! Left-handed shot by Mark Kagiwa!
Kaliwa yun, partner.
Oh.
What a move! Shake and bake! Para mo nakita si Allen Iverson.
Open is Mark Kagiwa. Mark Kagiwa, lumapit na konti, hindi kinaliwa. Meron ka pala nun, hindi ko alam.
Iba talaga. Etong si Mark Kagiwa.
For him, Kagiwa lumusot, reverses. Ooh, what a shot. They're down to 8. So hindi pa tapos yan. Now they'll put pressure in the backcourt. Other best player of the game. Here's Mark Kagiwa with a spectacular move.
To say, yung mga refs allowing some contact there.
Mark Kagiwa.
Oh!
Yung isang nakikita natin na hindi nalalaman ng maraming explosiveness. First step, ayun yung first step. And he is gone. And he has 11 points. And slow-mo brought to you by PLD.
Wow, skies over everybody. That's what you call hustle, no? And then he makes the shot in front of your face. Yun ang masakit. Let's take a look at this. After the offensive rebound, Kagiwa, one-on-one, shoots it in the face of the Mape. Yan ang ating magandang super action dyan, mega action. Exactly. Brought to you by PLDT Mega Million Sweepstakes.
Once upon a time, Spark was being arrested for the veto.
Binigay niya kay Kagiwa. Kagiwa gets away from his man. He goes up 24 today para kay Kagiwa. Then you want to put on the press.
The Panthers, papasok po tayo ng 7 minuto. Kagiwa, yan, finally. Mark the Spark gets his first 2 points.
Nilaglag kay Kagiwa. 20 in the game for Mark Kagiwa. 4 points in a row for this Glendale Community College. Stand up.
The basket. They look for Helder Branda. Naagaw ni Antonio. Binalik kay Kagiwa. Lusot po sila.
Wide open!
Akala ng mga nakaitim. Maagaw na eh.
Here's the flash. Looking for Chambers to seek it. Kagiwa quickly up. Yes. Alam mo yung taong yan talagang he's always going to have started out with 4 points in the quarter. Kagiwa coming off the bench also had 4 dun sa dalawang play na yun. Kagiwa shooting this one over way, guys. Yan naman na hindi nila gusto.
Defender ni Ballesteros really must stick him a little more closely.
Aba,
Sa Kagiwa. Ngayon!
Rebound, sinabit, napunta kay Banjo, pasa kay Kagiwa. Yes, there is. 22 in the game, 6 in a row, and the lead is down to 4.
Elmer Lago, open shot. Masyado malakas.
hard.
Kagiwa! And it's back to Elderbrand. Elderbrand back to Kagiwa. Kagiwa decides to go for it. Yes! Naramdaman niya. Talaga ramdam ni Mark Kagiwa. Pupunta yan doon sa SM Fairview. Oh! Kagiwa!
Tatlo yun!
Yeah, it's a PLD. Nalabas kay Kagiwa. Open 3-point shot! Mark Kagiwa with a PLDT long distance connection. And Barangay Ginebra is up by 3. Mark Kagiwa. 3-point shot! PLDT long distance shot by Mark Kagiwa to put Barangay Ginebra on top again by Kagiwa against Dwight Lago. To begin the number 3. That's another PLDT long distance shot by Mark Kagiwa.
On Danny, almost a steal.
Yes, it's a steal. Kagiwa. Tuloy-tuloy. Kagiwa. 26 points by Mark Kagiwa.
A new career high by Mark Kagiwa off that steal.
And a more
To the inside position.
Mark Kagiwa puts it up. Go! 90 all. Back to Baldavid. Baldavid is up. Kagiwa's open. Kagiwa's open.
And it's a basket.
We have a timeout, folks. We have a timeout. Ito, panoorin po ninyo mga kaibigan na nangyari no last sequence para sa Barangay Ginebra. Naghihintay lang doon si Mark Kagiwa. Libre at pinuntirya ni Mark Kagiwa. He cuts the lead of San Miguel Beer down to 1.
Mga barangay, itong San Miguel, parang cool na cool. Ayan pa, isang cool na cool.
Maganda ito, maipasok niya yung kanyang unang tira. Ito yung two-way player na Mark Kagiwa.
Ay, yung
Yung
bola-bola.
kanyang timing, huling-huli. And ito pong inyong nakikita sequence brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you could say it, text it for free activation call 171. They reverse the ball. Kagiwa is open for a 3-point shot.
Oh!
And that PLDT IDD long distance shot brought to you of course by our friends from PLDT. Mark Kagiwa.
Oy!
Kagiwa has it. Pupukas si Kagiwa. And 7 straight points. At yung bang inyo nakita was another super Hildebrand in a foot race against Boybits. Bibigay kay Kagiwa. Kagiwa will lay this in. And Kagiwa sparked Hinebra when it's Kagiwa. He'll take this one. Mainit, mainit, mainit ang kamay ng bata.
Grabe ang quickness. Kung tutuusin, marami nang natutunan. Ito si Mark Kagiwa. Ayan pa.
Binawi naman niya.
Ayan pa.
Anong
Marami
sabi mo
na.
ka mo?
Oo, marami na siyang natutunan.
Kagiwa, pumubukol pa rin. And he ups his... ewan ko kung anong klaseng drawing board ang babalikan itong kupunan ng Hinebra.
Trying to power. There's a block from behind by Marcus Park.
8 seconds
Talk
left.
about defense. Hatfield bounce pass Kagiwa slashing. Mr. Pinito. And Marcus Smart now with the total of his with 2 points.
At maganda yung pasa galing kay Rudy Hatfield drawing the defense.
Nice move by Kagiwa. Patrick Fran lost him. Nag-backdoor si Kagiwa. Mark Kagiwa will take that long one. 3-point shot. PLDT. That was...
JJ after Kagiwa. Long distance shot. Bang!
Yes, you can see it coming.
That's his first PLDT IDD long distance.
It's there, you know,
Talagang nandun.
no matter what.
Clock works it out to Mark Gaspard. He takes the shot. 7 in the game for Kagiwa. And falling down is Kagiwa. Yes.
This guy knows how to make the adjustments. He wasn't hitting his 3-point shot.
Ako sa Amerika, sabi mo, hanapin ko yung batang yun. Ano?
Pero
ayaw umuwi nun eh.
hindi, ayaw niya
Ayaw
dahil
umuwi nun eh. Pinapauwi ko na rito.